Hello, come on in. Ooh. So, we are staying at the Hub by Premier Inn in Goodge Street in central London, and we've gone for the larger rooms. You can get a standard room, but we've gone for the larger room, which gives you a lot more room in the actual hotel space itself. So as you come into the door, you've got a little kind of, I want to say vanity area, but it's missing a mirror there, but you've got a hairdryer, a plug, and a little coat hook to put some coats on there as well. Up here you do have an air conditioning unit, which is controlled with buttons on the side of your bed. So this room, as you walk in, you've got the bathroom directly in front of you, so I'm going to wander on in here. So it's quite a nice sized bathroom. You do have the kind of like, I don't know if it's called a rainforest, I forgot what it's called, but like the waterfall kind of shower head and hand control shower head as well. And you get some shampoo or body soap, whatever it is, hair and body wash, that's what it is, in the shower as well. And then you've got your toilet, got some storage space here, so you've got some toilet rolls and a little cupboard there with a bin is inside, a nice little sink and some hand wash too with some towels to use. Now I'm going to head on into the bedroom. So I was quite surprised with the size of the bed itself. It's quite a big bed. You have got a duvet here which you have to kind of unpack yourself, and we've got some pillows. We do need two more because I like to have two pillows. So just in front of the bed you have a nice kind of desk workspace. You do have some plug sockets and a USB plug. There's also a European plug socket there as well, and another UK plug. Loads of storage area and storage space, and under the bed as well. So you've got this drawer here. Quite a large drawer where you can unpack some bits and pieces, and you've got another kind of storage area just next to it where you can put a suitcase, although I think our suitcase is a bit too large, it won't actually slide in there, which is a bit of a pain. And you do have a chair as well to go next to the desk. Your storage space itself is this kind of see-through area here. You have some coat hangers. I'm sure you can ask for more because you've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got about 9 coat hangers in there, so you could probably ask for some more if you want some. But enough area again to store some bits and pieces if you're just here for a weekend. So the TV in this hotel is actually really good. You can connect your phone to it, so you've got Apple Play or Android Play. You can open up Netflix, Disney Plus, I believe. Quite a lot of options on there. The sound is limited to about 15 because of it's a small area, loads of places nearby. You might have noticed too, we've got no window, so it is an indoor room. So I'm hoping the aircon does kick on because it is a little bit warm in here. But as I mentioned earlier, you do have some buttons next to the side of your bed. So here you can control your lights. So you've got a reading light there especially. This might not work because the light's all on at the moment anyway. So you can turn them all off with a push of a button. And you can kind of dim through them. So there's different settings there as well for you. And there's specific reading lights just above the bed if you just want to read in the evening. You've got some signs here as well for, instead of like do not disturb that you put on the side of the door, you've got a do not disturb button there which will illuminate outside, as well as do not make up the bedroom. And it's also got your aircon controls. The other good thing with this room as well, so I mentioned the plugs by the desk, you've also got plugs either side of the bed, so you can like bedside table area, you can fit a phone in there and a bottle of water, and you do have a plug either side of the bed. So another good thing, when we walked into the hotel room, there were 2 bottles of water sitting on the desk, complimentary, you don't have to pay for them, so you get a bottle of water each as well, and they do fit in your bedside table area as well, so it's even better. We hope you enjoyed this room tour of the Hub by Premier Inn here in Goodge Street. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just down below, and we'll see you later.